Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find interview questions on Glassdoor. First, open glassdoor.com on your browser and make sure that you're properly signed in to your account. At the top navigation bar, you'll see options like community, jobs, companies, and salaries. Go ahead and click on salaries. On the salaries page, you'll notice a search bar. From there, simply switch the tab from salaries to interviews. Next, type in the job title you're applying for. Let's say, Marketing Coordinator. You can also add a location if you want, but that part is optional. After that, click the search button. You'll now be redirected to a page showing interview questions that other people have shared for that position. Finally, scroll down through the results. You'll see different questions and answers, and even related job roles with more interview examples at the bottom. And that's it. That's how to find interview questions on Glassdoor. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.